Let me introduce. This is a blackjack script for GOP3 that I wrote. It uses Pythogway to take screenshots and clicks those buttons, then uses OpenGV to recognize the cards and buttons. The cards and buttons using a blackjack strategy sheet to bet in different situations. This strategy sheet can be defined by yourself. How to define it? In the cheat_sheet in constants.py. You can define it there. This project currently has 2 tags. The V2 tag is a more stable version in my 1,000 test. The expectation is around 0.98, meaning if you bet 100 times the same bet, you would win around 98 times. The main branch is for more features and improvements. But I don't think the expectation will increase. I haven't felt like coding recently, so the main branch may not change much. If you want to use it, there are some limitations in GOP3. GOP3 must be full screen at 1920x1080 resolution, and the game must be in English or Chinese. Of course, you can customize other languages, but I don't support them, so I haven't added support. And the game must be in a private 21 room. This is how to run a bot. These are points for future improvement. You can see here. Customizing strategies in the GUI is not supported yet, and different resolutions are also not supported. I was too lazy to do these. Here are some 9 issues. For example, if you have more than 5 cards, it can't recognize them because they will overlap, and after splitting, the win-loss detection may not be very accurate because there are 2 scenes. If detecting both, it may be too slow, so I didn't include it. This will cause the net win value to be inaccurate, as net win is the net profit. It's not very accurate. Then, here's a way to adapt to different languages. Thanks to another project before. Okay, let me run the project now. First clone, yes. Then I'm not sure how to create a Python virtual environment on Windows. Like the virtualenv create command, I'm not sure, so I'll just use PyCharm and let it create one itself, skipping virtual env creation process. Okay, and let me close PyCharm and operate in the command line. First, activate the virtual env. Download necessary dependencies. Okay, download should be able to run now. You can see. These are system settings. Like the monitor resolution, it looks adjustable, but actually it's not adjustable. The GOP3 interface language has two options available: English and Chinese. These are settings for each round. This is the bet size. This is how many hands per round. This is when to stop based on net profit. This is when to stop based on net loss. This is a strategy sheet. And these are some statistics. Let's start directly. Need to check the private room box. Then it starts betting and playing by itself. Let's watch it play a few hands. Okay, lucky. 1-2 hands. It didn't detect the previous win before I switched, so the stats are inaccurate. That's why. Let's see. Okay. 1-3 hands. I switched away during one hand, so it didn't detect. It should be 3, but it's showing 2 hands. Both wins. And net profit of 2 bets with 998 remaining. These are the recognized cards. Ha means hot ace. Pausing the game now. Sure, it won't detect anymore. This is a demo of the bot. It can be used for team tasks, like the recent blackjack task. This can be used for that. Okay, feel free to use this bot. Ask me any questions or give it a star. Preferably star it, but I haven't had much motivation to develop it recently. If it gets more attention, then I'll continue developing and improving it. That's all. Thanks.